Let's open up Blender. Find your STL on your computer and drag and drop it in. Then search for the add-on 3D Print Toolbox. Go to Edit, Preferences, and then Get Extensions. Just type Print into the search bar and it should pop right up for you to install. You might need to activate it by clicking the arrow and ticking the little checkbox. Then press N to open up the N menu. There is now a new tab called 3D Print. Open it and scroll down. There is a tab called Edit and then Hollow. Click this and you will see an operator that asks for your preferences. If you're unsure, just try the defaults and then experiment with adjustments until it looks right. Classic 3D print workflow. Also, toggle transparency to see the hollowing, which is the button at the top, or you can use Alt-Z. If you want to directly hollow the model, I recommend checking Hollow Duplicate. This will result in one original and a hollowed duplicate. In the upper right in the outliner, you should now have two models with roughly the same name. You can hide or delete with X the original and leave the hollowed shell. Now we have a hollowed out model. But what if you also want to cut it somewhere? Sure, we could use booleans, but let's just cut it the quickest way possible with the box carve tool. Click and drag. When you click and hold on the tool, you can find the circle and polyline carve for different shapes. And finally, export. You can go the usual route via File, Export, STL. Here you have a bit more control and more options. Or you can use the one-click fast lane, the 3D Print add-on. Choose a designated STL export folder and simply click Export. There are some options here as well, but less than with the normal route. Great for batch work. And that's it. Pleasure to have you. See you in the next one.